So we are now at the Isle of Man home for rest for old horses. It's a new day. We're a bit hungover. We spent all night drinking. Went to bed at like 3 in the morning. But this is where old worker horses apparently come to rest. There's a tea room here and it's a free thing. And you can feed them what you want. Well, feed them what horses eat. Oh my god, there's a baby horse. Well, it's an oval horse. Look at that beautiful horse. I don't have any carrots yet, guys. And who's this little one? Hey, oh my god, you are very close to me. You're very friendly. Because they know that there's food usually. Can I stroke him?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, oh my god. I don't think I've ever stroked a horse before. Hey dudes. Hello. Can I say hello? Oh my goodness, you're wonderful. You're wonderful.
Put that in my bag.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a little goat.
So cute. Hello.
Right, good girl. Come on then. Come on. Oi. He's nasty, isn't he? He's stolen his food. Come on.
He's going to bite me.
Nah, he won't.
Look to me for a minute.
This one just wants food.
Oh. He's one more. Good, awesome.
Goodbye, horses. Look at this scenery. That was so cute. The horse was licking me. It was so weird. Everyone's just feeding them pellets. Probably this place makes money by the customers coming to buy the food, but they're being constantly fed. And there's a really greedy one. The one that I fed was really greedy, but really cute and loved me. And then here's some more horsies.
Certainly put that song into.
Oh no. Hey George, do you like the horses?
You say hello.
You're like, mate, I come here every week. I don't need any. I don't really care about the horses anymore. No, that's not true.
Oh, no,
hey guys!
The carrot at the end, so that they bite the carrot and not your hand.
Is it really there?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh dear. You gonna pick it up?
Sorry, they're not going to eat you, they're only carrots.
How do
Abby, walk a bit closer, because you can't.
Oh, she's still got that little honey in there.
Oh mate.
Horsey.
So this one. Oh my god. You're greedy. What a greedy puppy. Oh, that was crazy.
She's still eating that one, Jeff.
So this one.
It's being chill, isn't it? You feed Greedo if you want.
Oh my god, there's even more horses. That horse was greedy. Look at these ones. Hey. Hello. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. And look at you. Hey. Hey. Hello, hello. Guys, look at them, they're so cute. Beautiful. Crunchy, crunchy snacks. You're gorgeous as well. What are you chewing? What you chewing?
I don't think that one's coming out at the moment.
I'm going to try and reach you.
Oh,
Good dog. I mean horse.
Huh?
Good dog, I just said. What do you reckon, Mum?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
You film them?
Yeah.
What a gorgeous creature. Hello, beauty.
Hello, guys.
You actually put.
Look at that, he's got it stuck. Oh, do you want me to get it? Oh god, I'm a bit scared now. Here you go. Oh no, it's alright. I just didn't want him to drop it. Do this bit?
Yeah, I seen some earlier.
This was like a poodle pony.
Oh, yeah,
Hey, dude.
there you go.
Wow, look at that. What a gorgeous texture.
Big. Shall we go see the donkeys? He's there with the chicks.
Oh my god, chickens. Look at these guys.
What can we feed them?
They've got some seeds. Do you remember we talked about this yesterday when we said that chickens eat seeds? And they've got some.
But where can we
I just wanted to point out as well that this is like a completely free experience. So just buy whatever you want, like carrots, or you can buy the pellets from here. And yeah, you can just come and see all these rescued horses and retired horses. And it's a completely free thing. So if you're looking for stuff to do, I will put a link there, because yeah, it's really cool to get this close to rescued horses. I think it's a really nice experience, and I would recommend. And there's even donkeys. Hey guys. Oh wow. Hello, what do you want? Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Oh, they're incredible. Look at you guys.
and boys look?
Hello. This is the donkey villa. They're the hungriest puppies I've ever seen.
Hello, babies. Can be careful.
Oh my god. Look at how gorgeous they are. They're very greedy. It has to be said. You get one carrot and they're all like, oh my god, oh my god. Aren't they? But no, I mean, like I said, free experience. You got horses and donkeys. It's absolutely amazing. Come to the Isle of Man. You can feed donkeys for free. Woo! Oh my god. I've never seen so much cheese on chips.
Share it.
Bye.
Well, this might be one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen in the UK. Without a doubt, actually, the best view I've ever seen in the UK. It's absolutely fucking insane. Look at this. This is on the Isle of Man, everybody. Can I just say, this is on the Isle of Man. So when you think of the Isle of Man being nothing, it's actually not. It's actually something really good. Look. We're on the Isle of Man. And so what you do is you drive down to the Sound Cafe, and that's kind of like a dome-shaped kind of cafe, obviously. So you come here, have a little cheeky cake, maybe a pint, and then, you know, you've got all these views at your doorstep. And I'd say this is definitely yet another really good viewpoint to do when you come to the Isle of Man. It's definitely worth the trek, and the drive here as well, which in a bumpy car, you know, can't really do it justice, but it's really, really scenic and really good. So definitely come here. I've never seen anything like this in the UK. It's the type of thing that you probably think about when you think about going to parts of North Wales and Scotland. But I guess really when you think about it, that's kind of the location we're in. Really, really stunning. There's people down there. And you knew it was a hot spot as well, because the second that you just got here, there was suddenly loads of people where it was actually quite quiet before. So there you go, for one. So you'll see from the beginning of the video that I did a little intro for Peel Castle. So this is where we are now. We are going to be in Peel, hopefully going to get a beer and just stopping here before driving back to Douglas. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty beautiful, and yet just one thing extra to do when you come here. Let's have one more look. There's a bin. Hey! And there we go, that is Peel Castle for the final time. We're in Peel and now we're going for a beer. So the place we're going is What the Black Dog, which is a pizza restaurant, but we're just going for a quick beer. And then we want some dinner, but we don't know where we're going to go yet. But you'll see, and so will I, what we end up eating for dinner. But this is Peel, which is a nice harbour, seaside town. It's actually quite busy, quite lively. Nice. Goth IPA. Goth IPA. Doesn't taste very gothic, although I don't know what makes it goth, but gotta have. Hey?
The marketing.
The marketing makes it goth. Wow!
Bring it home to me because I need your loving so bad.
So we decided on a Chinese restaurant called Mrs. Yang's, which has a really gorgeous interior. It's very quiet, and this is in Douglas city centre. So we are just going to be getting a cheeky little table, a couple of dishes, a couple of sides, whatever, and I'll show you what we get.
To a lovely weekend.
To a lovely weekend.
Cheers, everybody.
Hang it.
Oh,
Cheers.
hi, this is for the vlog.
Right there, you
No more talk.
So,
come Alaman. Get this.
exactly. We bugger off. I've ordered tofu, satay, bean sprout noodles, and a pint. Jenny's got the same but sweet and sour. These guys have got meat, so we don't care. On Tipsy Tofu, we don't want to know.
I think it's the 21st or the 22nd. September. Yes, it's been a year in many more to come. Yeah?
I hate myself. How? Right, what do we all think of that dinner?
Beautiful.
It was tasty.
It was tasty.
It was alright, good.
It was a good dinner, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We all enjoyed it. Even the meat eaters, the carnivorous ones on the table, enjoyed their food. Yeah, that satay was up there, like top tier satay, top tier. We're going back home now to make pina coladas, get drunk, and I'll get the plane home. So this might be the last time you see me
Subscriber.
with my subscriber. Hang on, let me just show you my subscriber. So this is my subscriber. It's my mum.
I'm your driver.
This is my driver, and this is Jen, my sister. So basically, I took a subscriber to the Isle of Man, and what did you think?
Oh, it's an amazing place, stunning views, fantastic company and brilliant food, and great to meet two little beautiful boys.
Oh, that was good. Bless them. But yeah, there you go. So I took a subscriber to the Isle of Man, and would we come back?
Still living here.
Yeah. No, not really. It's kind of like Wicker Man vibes. But yeah. Hope you learned some stuff about the Isle of Man, and I'm going to neck this now. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.